In this video, we'll go over how to fix the E03 error code on a Hoover washing machine. So the error code E03 appears on your Hoover washing machine means that the machine is not draining properly. There's luckily an easy fix to this issue. So the first thing you need to do is unplug your Hoover washing machine and pull it out. This means that you won't get any water leaking out anywhere and that washing machine isn't at risk at failure. Then from here you will need to remove the top of the appliance and locate the pressure switch with a thin hose attached. Now you will need to remove this hose and blow into it to make sure that the hose is not clogged. Now you'll locate the hose going into the dispenser and clean it thoroughly. You should also clean the inlet hose and valve, ensuring those aren't clogged either. Next step is to remove the bottom front flap and keep some beach towels in a little container under the filter. Now open the filter, clean it and make sure it is not clogged. Now from here you can start your Hoover washing machine like you usually would and it should be working again without the error code. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!